In today's video, I will make a full explanation of UK ISA account. I will talk about why you need it, what is ISA, and some Q&As for most unsure part, and my advice for the most known. Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to my rich journey. In the UK, if you want to invest your money or get some interest from saving account, ISA is the one you must have. No matter you are a student with a student visa, or you are working in the UK with skilled worker visa, entrepreneurial visa, or you have got your permanent resident or you are the citizen, this video is for you. The biggest advantage of ISA account is, in a nutshell, it's tax-free. In the UK, investment income is taxable, such as interest, dividend payment. You need to do the self-assessment form and pay your tax every single year. This means if you have interest income outside of your work, or if you buy the stock and shares and earn money from it, you will be taxed. But it's good to know that if your income range is between 12,571 to 50,270, which is the 20% basic tax rate, then your investment income is tax-free for £1,000. For those who have the higher income rate fits in the range of the 50,271 to 125,140 range, the tax rate is 40%. Then your tax-free amount in investment is $500. For those, if your income is about 125,140, then there is no tax-free allowance for the investment income.
Oh my god.
So, what if the investment income is greater than the above tax-free amount? Then you need to pay the tax. This is where the importance of the ISA account comes into play. Because in the ISA account, all your investment returns are tax-free. So I would highly recommend that if you haven't got an ISA account, get one immediately. But the amount you can deposit into the ISA account is not unlimited. The limit is £20,000 per year. Next, I'm going to talk about the categories of the ISA account, and there are 4 kinds of the ISA account in the UK. The first one is the cash ISA. And this kind of account is the most straightforward one. It's a saving account, and you just need to put your money into the account and you will get interest from it. Different bank will give you different interest rate, so you need to compare before you deciding which bank you are going to open your cash ISA. Like normal saving account, cash ISA account is available in both instant and fixed term. And the instant account is the one you can deposit and withdraw money at any time. And the fixed term is the one you cannot withdraw money before the anniversary date, such as the 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years. For cash ISA, I would like to recommend that no matter what stage of your life you are in, even though you don't have much saving yet, you should open a cash ISA. You can open an instant withdrawal cash ISA account where you can take your money in and out at any time. And the interest is so much better than the current account for sure. And this is the first step to management your money. Is a very, very good beginning. The second kind of the ISA account is called investment ISA, also called stock and shares ISA. For this kind of ISA, it's the one that you can invest your money to buy stocks and shares. If you are aiming for higher investment returns, of course, with higher risk, you should open this stock and share ISA, because you may have a high return in stock and share. For example, you invest £50,000 and you make £5,000 returns. You need to pay the tax for the earning if you buy the stock and share in the general stock and share account. But in stock and share ISA account, it's all tax-free.
Nice.
Even better, as I mentioned, you can deposit £20,000 in your ISA account. And if you decided to invest all your 20,000 allowance into stock and share ISA, if you initially put in £15,000, you still have £5,000 allowance left in this financial year, no matter how much money you have earned. And the third type of the ISA account is called Innovative Finance ISA. This type of ISA is with more risky and rewarding. It is to lend out your money to someone through a third-party platform. And all the returns on this account are tax-free, but of course, the risks are high. The fourth type is called the Lifetime ISA, and this one is slightly complicated, but I'm sure I've explained it to you very clear. For the Lifetime ISA, you can open it when your age is between 18 to 40, and you can save up to £4,000 a year in this account up to the age of 50, and the government will pay 25% bonus to your saving up to a maximum of the £1,000 per year, which is to say, if you put £1,000 into the Lifetime ISA account, and you will get £1,250. And if you save £4,000 into the Lifetime ISA account, which is the maximum you can put in, and you will get £5,000. Sounds good, right? But there are only 3 situations to withdraw your money, which is the first one, buying your first home. Second one, the person is aged 60 or over. Thirdly, terminally ill with less than 12 months to live. So this account is good to buy your first home with the government extra bonus, or it can be some extra savings for you in your later life. So that is the full ISA account in the UK. Next part, I want to talk about Q&A, and I would like to summarize the most common questions for ISA account. The question number 1, how does the £20,000 allowance work? You can put £20,000 per year into your ISA account. The year means the financial year, which is from the 6th of April in this year to 5th of April next year. And you can put in all your money in the cash ISA, or you can separate them into cash ISA, some of in the stock share ISA, some of in the Lifetime ISA, and some of in the Innovative Finance ISA, as long as it's not exceed £20,000 per year. And question number 2, can I open more than one ISA in a year? The answer is yes. You can open one type of the ISA per year for each of the 4 different types. In other words, in the new financial year, you can open one cash ISA, one stock share ISA, one Innovative Finance ISA, and one Lifetime ISA in each year. Question number 3, can I open more than one same type of ISA in a year? The answer is no. You can only open one type of the ISA in each year. For example, if you open a cash ISA account this year and you are not be able to open another one until the next financial year. But you can switch your current ISA at any time if you find the higher interest bank. Finally, I would like to do some suggestions for the must-know. So basically, I would like to suggest you to open an ISA account as soon as possible, because there is no limit on how big it will grow. For example, you can put in £20,000 every year for 3 years, and in the 3 years, your principal will become £60,000. With the actual investment earning, it might go to the £70,000 to £80,000, and you can imagine how much money you will have in 10 years later. And remember, all the earnings are tax-free. So, if you have any questions about the ISA account in the UK, please leave me a comment below. In my channel, more investment methods and ideas will be continuing shared. Please subscribe me. Thank you for your time to watching my video. This is my rich journey, and I will see you in my next video.